Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making an index that organizes choices: crop, spacing, days to harvest, and sun needs. Once done, measure and map your beds to scale so the index corresponds to real space. Make sure to note soil pH and water access in the index. This explains why some plants belong in certain zones. You'll also record available tools and budget, because matching resources to the index prevents overreach and speeds the first planting decisions. You now convert index entries into concrete planting actions. Sort crops by season and companion compatibility, then place them on the mapped beds. Once placed, follow the spacing numbers and sowing depths listed in the index so seedlings won't crowd or underperform. Make sure to set staggered sowing dates and irrigation intervals in the index to spread harvests and conserve water. This index-driven execution reduces mistakes and clarifies daily tasks as the garden grows. You complete the cycle by recording harvest dates, yields, and observations back into the index so next season's plan improves. Once done, use those notes to adjust soil amendments, pH targets, and irrigation entries. This explains why you'll get better results over time. If pests, poor germination, or stunted growth appear, isolate the affected bed, note symptoms clearly in the index, and revise planting or treatment entries. This single troubleshooting
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.